Well done. Okay. Robot arm. Let's go. So check this out. Ooh. I've been waiting for a long time to put this together. This is heavy. Holy shit, these bearings though. We may not be able to get very far today on putting this together because it requires 3D printed parts. But we'll at least look at them. Some machined parts. More machined parts. Ah, good God, the packaging on this stuff is crazy. So I'm kind of expecting to find a thumb drive in here somewhere because I don't think I got an email with the files. I might have to double check my receipt. Yeah, there's no thumb drive in here. Okay. And so in this box, we've got power supply. Very good. We've got, I think these are drivers. Oh, look at the size of that thing. This is heavy. This is like 5 pounds. Holy crap. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. And these are, I believe, the driver boards. Yeah. They're so little. Look how little this thing is. Very cool. Building a mech. What robot arm is it? This is the AR4 Mark 4. I can bring it up for you. Is this the robot arm? Yeah. Let me pull it up for you. AR4 Mark 4 robot arm. Yeah, it's this one. It is expensive, but for what it is, it's a great deal. This thing can lift like 5 pounds of payload, which is a lot. Although ironically, did you see a waifu? I don't have a waifu on my screen. Enough robot arms to make us breakfast in the same vein as Pee Wee Herman. I haven't seen Pee Wee Herman. I couldn't tell you. When you're unboxing. No. Ooh, these are so pretty. Sorry, I love metal. This knife is pretty dull. Why do I keep losing the camera feed? Hello? I don't know why it's cutting out. Sorry, y'all. Whoa. These are gorgeous parts. They're so well made. They've got like such a lovely bevel and everything. I will cherish this robot arm forever. This should be the base of the robot arm. Wait, I just realized there's no instructions. Oh, there is a box. It might be in there. It might be a thumb drive in there with everything. Ooh. They're all tapped and everything. Alright. I'm on mute. I shouldn't be. I think that's just you, buddy. Sorry. You are A-okay. It happens. Pretty. Some interesting looking parts. Should you start working on those parts or doing this nice and slow? Both, but I actually want to make some modifications to the 3D printed parts. So, yeah, and like, the printer's not that fast. Hey, Kate. This is IRL Cat Bolts. It's me. Hi. This is like so wrapped up. Holy crap. Hey, Stella. Long time no watch. Been well? Yeah. It's been quiet. My side of the universe. Apart from gestures broadly at the United States. But I kind of like, I pseudo retired from streaming, and then I remembered that one of my dream content to create is workshop content, tinkering, building. And so I'm back doing that kind of content because that's ultimately what inspired me. So I used to build parts and little projects for a living. It's nice to return to my roots. came out of retirement for one last workshop. Well, hopefully I can be a bit more consistent with this. And what also further inspires me or entices me to do this kind of content is that, let me point the camera a little bit more this way. I will be pretty consistent with YouTube. Get back to streaming? Yeah, I will be here. Did this fuck up again? You know what? It has to be a bad connection. It's gotta be. Ooh. Yeah, so I am back due to contracts as well. I used to. Yeah, no, like I was a contractor for a couple years. I used to work at a prototyping company, and then that company went out of business. And then I did freelance for a couple years. And then I quit. Because I got tired. It was really stressful, tight deadlines, bad clients. I do have some stories from back then. Oh my gosh, this part is so pretty. It is so shiny. Cat's smart because she knows how to do all of this. Thank you. I don't know. When I was a little girl, I was afraid of spiders. No, you still work on space mistakes at all, or are you going to work mostly on this themology? Okay, so game development is my day job. So space mistakes is still going to happen. So I work for big fluffy games, and that is what I do during the day. And I work on 2 game projects right now. I work on Alchemic Havoc, and I work on another game which doesn't have a name yet. So that's kind of what I might do game dev streams. I just haven't been inspired to do them because they're like, I feel like they're kind of boring. It's hard to like do that. I don't know. I'm not inspired to do them, I should say. Like, I feel like everybody is doing game dev these days, which might sound ridiculous. Cut away, not towards. Need to make time fall. Yeah, I feel like game dev is kind of exploding right now, and that kills my interest. So that's still my day job. I'm still working on Alchemic Havoc. Speaking of which, I'm a little bit behind on my announcement. So our weekly updates. We have a Patreon for the studio, and I run the updates. Kind of boring. 60, 100 you watch, you do it. But it's the same shit. It's just the same shit. It's gonna get boring for y'all too. Oh, this is just a solid can of aluminum. Jeez. Voxid, what's up? Thanks for checking me out. I love the latest model you made. That dude whose like head is on fire. I saw that post. Boring, but what about simulating? Simulating what? Oh, 2 years ago, I have so many Monster Showcase. Oh, okay, I gotcha. Wait, Voxid! Can I commission you for a tiny model? A tiny one. Because I have neglected Bit so badly. My pet robot. Bit needs a proper model. So I would love to give him a low poly model. Yeah, no, he's actually like tiny. Digital screen for a face. All right. Some people use to Steam and Discord. Okay. Thanks, buddy. All right. This is the last. Holy shit. This is so heavy. This is like 5 pounds of bearings and bolts and fasteners. Ironic. Why did you make the avatar booby dog? It's attractive. Because that's what gets people's attention. Also, I'm gay as shit, so, you know, I thirst over my own character. Hey, Celery. Thanks so much. Okay, that's a negative on the thumb drive. So I need to look for the email and see if I can find the files. Some people tune to stream to be... Wait, what'd you say? Mentally stimulated, either to help them sleep or body doubling and doing work. Not exactly. Yeah, I get that. I definitely have that background stream energy. And I feel like, I guess these workshop streams are a way calmer atmosphere. Because I haven't been running music in them. So I feel like this is probably peak snooze content. So pretty. Come here. Cool. Stepper motors. Interesting. What is this for? I don't know why I'd have a linear rail. I didn't buy the linear rail kit. Uh-oh. Maybe I accidentally did buy it. These are stuck in here. It's so cute. It's so tiny. You know, the one thing you never want to hear her say. Okay, back. Yeah, what were we talking about? Yeah, I'll DM you, Voxed. I'll DM you. Choo. Yeah, because my poor robotic pet Bit, I never really ever got him to be a part of the streams, and I felt incredibly guilty about that. But it's just like, yeah. Okay. Let us... All right. The PC needs cleaning. Yeah, it's covered in like salt from the past project. All right, I'm gonna check my email really quick. Can you dab? I could. Let me see. Da, 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 da. Okay, I'm looking for robot. Robot. Your order's on the way. Order, order, order. Order has been delivered. View order. Maybe on the website. Um, resources, robot build manual. Oh, it's public. Oh. Okay, let me pop this out into another window so that my face can be protected. Let me close the email. Just Google. If I had money, I'd donate for a cat dab. Dance monkey dance, huh? I see, I see. All right, here is the manual. About building this robot. The AR4 is an open design, 6-axis robot that anyone can build. All software, print files, and manuals are available for download on the Annan Robotics website's download page. All the components you need for this robot are outlined in Chapter 1. Assembly of the robot's arm is outlined in Chapter 2. Chapter 3 covers the installation of a pneumatic gripper on the robot. I thought I bought that. Uh-oh. Chapter 4 covers the installation of a servo gripper, blah, blah, blah. Both chapters, separate bill of materials. Okay. Components. Following is an overview of the 5 component groups needed. 3D covers and spacers. You must print these yourselves. Structural, la la la. Use medium strength thread locker on all screws. Oops, I don't have any Loctite. Ah, crap. Tools and materials needed. Yeah, that's fine. Bearing fit CAD models are sized for a slight press fit in all bearings and race diameters. I have to make sure. Never use a hammer. Use a bearing press. I have a press. Okay. Never use a hammer. 3D printing your robot. The print files can be found here. Okay. I paid extra for the SolidWorks CAD file. Why did I do that if it's just publicly available? Hi. Oh, is there a raid? I see a Kiri. Or are you about to start? When do we find out how to get the arm to use a knife? This is like building a Gundam. Kind of. Just with metal and plastic. Control software, 3D print files, STL files. I want the SolidWorks file. Hold on, let me see if I can find it. Do. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Where are you? Into the email. Let's see. Robot. Order, invoice. Well, I can look at the invoice. I bought the combo kit. Maybe I didn't buy the file. Let me check the website. I thought I did because I wanted to modify some of it. Combo kit. Oh shoot. Looking at the price, I didn't end up buying the gripper or the CAD. Darn it. Yeah, I think I accidentally didn't buy those. Yeah. Okay. Well, I can order that and those can show up later. Okay. I can still do the modifications I want. It's just going to be a little more jank. I mean, the changes I wanted to make are cosmetic anyway, but I would prefer using the source files than modifying STL files jankily. Okay. Let's grab the STLs. Download. Download. This might dox me. 1 second. I have to be really careful on this computer. I haven't gone through and sanitized all of the files and stuff, so I got to be extra careful. I don't know what files this computer has on it. So sorry, everybody. Holy shit, that's so many files. All right, I can share this. This is safe. Well, it's not for like explicit content. It's for like personal info, you know? What's your sanitization method? Napalm. Let's see. Servo gripper, Lars parts, structural components, enclosure, fan cover. Motor bracket. So I will need to go through and organize all of these parts by color. So I bought different color plastics. I bought a nice deep purple. I bought black and I bought white for this arm. So I want the main body of the arm to be purple. So you see how he's got like the blue here on this arm? I'm going to print this in purple. I'm going to print the letters in white. And then the other miscellaneous parts will be black. So that is my plan. And the base will be, I guess this will be black as well. Yeah. Can you change the letters to be KAT? That's exactly what I was going to do, Nail. That's why I wanted the 3D models. Yeah, oh fuck. Yeah, that's what I wanted it for. It's so funny. Yeah, so we'll open it in Blender and modify it in here. Or we'll try to. I don't know how feasible it will be. It would be if I had the source files, it would be much easier to do so. But we will find out. Auxiliary enclosure, auxiliary lid. We're looking for side cover logo and side cover. I think these are the parts. Oh, dang it. Blender is not going to let me drag and drop these in. Hang on. I got to sanitize this again. File, import, STL, download, print files, cover, and cover logo, import. Okay. Where's my mouse? I had a mouse in here. There it is. No, wait. Where did my mouse go, Seymour? It might be upstairs, I guess. Darn it. How close are we to ads? Are we almost ads? Guess your cat a freaking touchpad edit this. I don't want to, but I have to right now. Huh. Ha. Huh. This sucks. This sucks. Okay, this is the part I wanted to change. How painful will this be? That's kind of what I expected. That is what I expected. Okay. Obviously, because the guy who made this was an engineer. He used CAD to do it. So the verts were going to be fucked like this. Okay. Tell you what, I will run upstairs and I will look for my mouse, use the restroom, get some water. I encourage you also to get some water. And I will be right back. Rah! Kylo jump scare. My phone is freaking out. Come on, phone. Hello? Is it dead? It's dead. Okay. Sure. You were plugged in this whole fucking time. I guess you can just die. Sure. Stupid ass piece of trash iPhone. Alright. That's fine. We can be P in GTuber mode. Actually scared you. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, delicious. Okay, I have a mouse. Let's cook. I wonder what font this is. My font experts, what font is this? What font be this? I'm wondering how to... What is the depth of this cut? So I think what they did was a Boolean operation. So they just made the text, put it in here, and did a Boolean subtract. Or maybe they slightly scaled it up, did a Boolean subtract, and then scaled it down. That's just my guess. Your face is delicious. Sora, you would say that, you mutt. Let's see. What is the best way to go about this? So I did a hide operation there. And now I am just going to box all of this stuff and delete it. And delete it. And I'm going to box this again and delete it. And box it again and delete it. Wait, it would have been smarter if I had just done an add operation. This is fine. Okay, and now we just have to rebuild the geometry. And I'm going to do that in a very stupid way. I'm going to try to click the edge loop and beg for the face function to work. Wow. It just worked. Love that. Bless Blender. How you doing, little goober? That's the font. Oh, you're the best, Foxhead. Thank you. West Fork J&L regular. That's probably one I gotta go get, huh? That doesn't seem like a staple. Add text. Text. Where is it? Text. Line art. What the hell? Oh, it's down here. Where are you? Oh, it's tiny. Okay. Nope, that doesn't change it. text, font, text boxes. How do I actually change this text? You know, the thing that it's the text. Nope, that just made another one. Coach, help. How do you change the text? Bunny Space Raid? Oh, hey, Pyrojing. It's not free. It's $30. Blah. Okay, we'll find a different font. I appreciate you. What's up? Are we coding a robot? We are building one. Although I don't think we're actually going to get any construction today. Because I don't have any Loctite, and we got to 3D print a buttload of parts. So we're just kind of doing all of the prep work for next stream. So we'll probably actually start construction next Sunday. So you should tune in for that. Don't miss it. We will put all of this together. Yeah. And I'm just struggling with Blender and how to edit a text object. I can change the fonts. Okay. I can't believe I'm gonna have to look this up. Because I changed meow. I changed this. Can meow. No, that why would that work? Oh my god. Wait, I don't have any other fonts? Oh my god. Okay, I do. Well, at least we can pick out a font. Kind of like this one. This one speaks to me. Now, if only I could figure out how to actually change what the text is. If you bring up the side menus, the end shortcut doesn't have options there. Next Sunday is so long. I'm sorry. Wouldn't miss it for Zawaro. Gonna lurk, take a breather. Yeah, go get your post stream self-care done. Yeah. Guess it's gonna have text on the side. Don't. I am tempted now. I am so tempted. It would be so funny. Okay, what did you say? You said bring up the side menu, the end shortcuts. Okay, side menu. End shortcut. Tool. Why? Why does it work now? I don't understand. Okay, go figure. Now our text is itty bitty. I will need to fix that. That is far too itty bitty. Size 1. Zoom. Zoom. I can't make it bigger than 10. Fine. Get scaled, idiot. Alright. Go here. This. Get it approximately the same size. There we go. Close enough. And now we got to make it 3D. Now, I know how I would do this in CAD, but doing it in Blender is going to be another matter. So I think the way to do this is to do an extrude. Oops. Hello? Okay. Maybe a solidify modifier? Solidify. Thickness. Yeah. Close enough. And let's see if I apply this modifier, cannot apply. Really? So I can't actually go and add a bevel on this. So maybe the next step is add another modifier, which is a bevel. Yeah. Does not seem to work. Cannot apply. Any thoughts, chat? Kata, everyone's favorite streamer. What's up, Quint? Gotta run. Have a productive and inspired day. Take care of yourselves. Okay, Rue. No thoughts. Head empty. Yeah. Oh, wait. I know how to do this. I need to use the voxelify modifier. Voxel. Where is it? God, I hate you, iPhone. You are so useless. It knows it's not my main phone, so it just acts extra shitty to me. I could have done this in 2 seconds in Fusion. Why am I torturing myself in here? Do I even have Fusion installed on this computer? I do. Okay. Let's do this in Fusion. Because you don't treat it special enough? Yeah, clearly. And we're so close to doing it in here. We're so close. I should just do it. Solidify. I thought you could do extrusions on here. Maybe, what's the search shortcut? Extrude. X, am I spelling it wrong? You just can't extrude this. I find that so hard to believe. Can we convert this to, I don't know, something more fucking useful? This is so useless. Are you in edit mode? I'm in object mode. When I'm in edit mode, it wants me to like type. I'm unable to extrude it. Text. The laptop gets used at developing some rub spots. A little bit, yeah. It's mostly salt water. Convert it to a mesh. I haven't messed with. All right, we get to learn together. Hold on. Hold on. Blender. Convert text to mesh. Select the text object in object mode, right-clicking, convert to mesh. Why didn't I think of that? Why didn't I think of that? Object, convert, mesh. Now it's a mesh. Now I can what did I just do? E. That is cursed. That'll work. Extrude. Z approximately here. And now I need to select the edge loops. And we need to add a bevel. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna remesh this first. Let's just do select faces, grab this, remesh. Hold on. Triangulate. Mesh to form, warp. It would have been faster if I had just made it from a cube. How come this must be, what version of Blender is this? I don't have the search box in here. I have to use my eyeballs. Subdivision surface. Remesh. Voxel sharp. Blocks. Whoa, that's cool. Uh-oh. Oh no. The laptop's melting. No more. Curse that. Existing mushroom pudding. Gotta go meet. Oh, you're meeting Azura! Oh my god, I'm so jealous. Go give her a big hug from me, okay? Aww. I'm so jealous. Meow. Voxel size. This is garbage. I hate this. This is such garbage. This is gonna make a terrible result. I don't think bevel is gonna work. I don't think it understands. Affect edges. How is this not working? Oh, maybe it's applying only. No. Oh my god. Okay, I give up. This is not a Blender thing. We're gonna do this in Fusion. Fuck this shit. Okay, I need to hide the screen. We're gonna open Fusion. It's probably gonna ask me to log in, and I will cry because I won't remember my login information. Just as Flugel. Hi. We're having so many new people. I'm absolutely pleased. Yep, it's asking me to sign in. Okay. Please, browser. Please, browser. Please, nope, it doesn't know. Fuck. Maybe Chrome knows it? Do you know my login Chrome? Unable to access this link. It's gonna be one of these days. Autodesk. What? It's not the account that I think it is. I thought this was on a different email address. I chose to join. Yeah. I could do it in SolidWorks. Me too. Me too. Blender is... I have a love-hate relationship with Blender. I really do. I definitely signed in with, like, not the right account. Let me check. Oh, it is the right account. I did not expect that. Okay. Hang on, I gotta sanitize. Shut the fuck up, I don't want to update. Go away. I'm busy. New project. I will call this ARM. Nope, I guess I won't call it because the folder disappeared. ARM. Okay. I believe we are sanitized. Yes. Okay. I could get a SolidWorks certificate through Uni. I don't know if I'll actually do it. Don't bother. I will tell you, I don't think anybody fucking cares. That's just like one line on a resume that'll get promptly ignored. It's just, I don't know. I'm bitter. I'm bitter about job hunting. Just make shit. Right. Import STL. Side cover. It's not going to let me do that. I have to do the upload. Ah, okay. Okay. Upload. Select file. Do. You know what I should do? I should put Linux on this computer and hate myself. Side cover, open, upload. Okay. Apologies for the overabundance of a caution. And it's same who isn't one with people resume. You ignore. As someone unemployed who's barely able to afford food, that statement resume. Fuck yeah. Yeah. Alright. Let's open this and cry. Okay. Step 1 is this is a mesh body. We have to convert this to a... No, not this. Go away. Shut up. There's a conversion. We have to convert it to a solid. And then we can work with it nicely. Where is it? Not a form. I don't think that's right. Oh! Wait. It's going to... You can render in here now? That's cool. I didn't know that. Hold on, we're in the form surface. In here. And in here... Sorry, I keep futzing with the camera. Where is it? Mesh? Tessellate. Repair. Modify. Where are you, you slut? Export? No. Where is the solidify thing? Did they remove that? They sure made it hard to find. Rigid group. I hate it when people change software. Remesh. Convert. Fuck. Modify, convert. Awesome. Operation, this body. Go. This mesh has more than 10,000 triangles. Yeah. Go for it. Let's see. Feel like I could do CSWP for free. I don't know. What are you even working on? So give me a short summary. Hey, Meowtastic. Sorry to be a software engineer. That's kind of our job. Hey, I also have a software engineering degree. I totally understand. So we were going to start assembling a robot arm that has arrived. And hi, Gemini. We are missing some key parts. We have to print some parts. So we won't be able to get very far today. We also need Loctite, which I don't have Loctite. I could ask my roomies if they have Loctite, but I don't suspect they will. So for right now, we are doing some modification. All right, step 1. We gotta plug this hole. We will do this in the solid area. And I believe the easiest way to do this is to create a plane, an offset plane from here. And we will extrude from the bottom of the device to the top. I think that makes the most sense. So I will do a sketch in the butt, a butt sketch. We will do a project. We will select the whole body. Uh-oh. We will not select the whole body. We're just going to do a box. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Send help. What's it doing? Backend system library stuff. I hate working with mesh files. Help. Help. This is why I could just go buy the source files right now, but it's literally not worth it. I just have to get past this part. Well, at least these parts are pretty. By the way, this is... Oh! Okay. Sketchy. Rectangle. Approximately here. I'm just going to eyeball this. Very good. Let's do an extrusion. Join. We still have some artifacting happening. Okay. I need to be a little more precise. Okay. So it won't really show up in the print. So that's just going to be good enough. All right. Step 2, adding our text in. This is the easy part, fortunately. I don't remember what the font I liked was. I think it was this, maybe? Hi. That's pretty close. One cool project involved difficulty directly operating on triangles, beavis trees to implement performant looking between meshes. I want to share. First, put the mesh file through and optimize to get fewer. Mesh, modify, reduce, infusion. That's a thing. What? Let's do minus 32. A more sensible number. New body. Okay. So we've got our litors here. Let's add our nice bevel to it. Uh-oh. Ah, good enough, I guess. You know what might work better? Let's see if we can do a loft instead. Or not a loft, a draft. Hold on. Faces. Nice. I'm so good. Let's do 15. I said 15. Sick. That's going to get the look I want. All right, now we just got to do it the rest. But oh, this is where it was fucking up. This corner here. Oh. I see. So we need to go back in time and add some additional kerning. Shoo. Let's see. Edit text. Can I have some kerning, please? No, no kerning allowed. What if we add some... Hello? What? Excuse me? Okay. All right, I will squish these back together. So I probably don't need to do the loft then. The bevel will probably work now. Let's try it. Hide the sketch. Hide the bodies. Okay, let's do 2 distance. Yeah. Yeah. Now we're cooking with gas. Awesome. Okay. Do. Cut the K. Yeah. Yeah. We're on the same. Oh, the thin space. Yep. I think. What do I think? You know what? I think you're spot on. Let's do the thin space. I think that is a great idea. Okay, how do you do it? It is U 2009. Maybe I can just copy it. Let's see. Is there a difference? It's not working. Shit. Fuck. Okay. I will just reposition them. Because these are free bodies, so I can just squish them together manually in a really stupid way. Huh? Oh. Let's see. Let's do -50. Okay. And let's move the K. And we're going to do +50. Shoof. Ah! Wait. Hold on. Calm your tits. Oh, God damn it. Hide the mesh. $50. This looks funny to me now. Should we make the A and the T squishier? Hold Alt Type plus. So I have a laptop. It would be hard to do that for me. I don't know. I'm going to bring this a little closer. I'm going to make it closer. That looks funny too. Maybe I just don't like this font as much as I thought. Give me a different font, boss. Nah, I don't like that either. Hmm. Hmm. Stencil. It's kind of military-esque. But that's not going to bevel well. I need a simpler, blockier thing. This could be cool. This could be cool. Hold on. Yeah, I'm feeling this. Let's just remove our moves, because these are separate. Yeah! Alright. I gotta fix the size there. It's a little too small. Delete this. Edit this. You're too small. Maybe 50. What the fuck is this shit? Why are you rotating? That is cursed. Alright, that's just too large. Maybe 30? There you go. Alright. Oh my god. Don't do that. You know, I kind of want to stretch this out. It looks funny now. Ugh, Comic Sans or something sans serif. Let's find the other font, the non-wide version. Because this is wide Latin. What is Latin? I don't have Latin? I just have the wide version? That's kind of strange. Oh, I liked that one. Tacoma. Wide Latin. Headline. Boring. Okay, I'm gonna use wide Latin, but squish it together. Or stretch it out some more. So let me think. I don't know if I can scale in here. I've never tried doing that before. Oh, there's a scale. Nice. Scale. Type. Non-uniform. Z scale. 50%. That doesn't look any different. Am I crazy? That's not doing anything. Oh god. 1.5. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's do that. Texts are kind of weird in Fusion. I agree with that. Yeah. Okie dokie. Next objective is we need to create a plug. A plug with this. We need to make a plug, do a cut in the mesh so the text can fit into it, and then go go from there. So I will do an extrude of these bases like this, new bodies. And we're going to hide the originals. And then I want to do a press pull on... Actually, it would be easier if I did a... Hold on. Let's bring these back. I'm going to do a sketch here. Project. Body, body, body. Okay. Finish. Go back in the sketch because I'm a goober. Hide the bodies. Now we're going to do an offset of all of these. And this is going to be our tolerance. So I want this to fit easily. So I am going to give this a 0.4 millimeter tolerance. And so that's the wrong direction, isn't it? Okay, minus. I'm making this a little bit bigger. We're going to scoop out the plastic with this so that these parts will fit nicely together. Because these aren't super critical parts. So they can be loosey. Oh, loosey-goosey. Is that the wrong way again? No, it's pointing up. Okay, cool. I need to do these two. Here, negative 0.4 millimeter. And I believe this is also one here. Oh, this one's already covered. Cool. Yeah. Excellent. Minus 0.4 millimeter. Hey, Mouse. Salem! Oh my gosh, hi! Aww. Wait, did you change is this a new Twitch account? Wah! Salem. Yeah. Wait, no, it's your same account. Welcome. What's up? Yeah, we're just gonna, with our hingies, our fingies, we're just gonna scoop them in. I changed name, I started streaming it. Very nice. Okie dokie. Aw, I am very partial to your mouse, Sona. I adore him. Alright. So we have our new sketch to work with, and now we're going to extrude. We have to be careful that we select the outline that we created. And I'm just double checking this. That's good. All right. Cool. Now, we're going to extrude to the moon. And this will be our plug. So, it actually goes all the way through. So I'm going to shift these up by halfway. How about this much? So we're going to do now a Boolean operation. And this, that, cut, doot. Ta-da! So now we have these pockets our letters can attach to. So when we test fit this, it'll fit approximately like this. Not too shabby. They will protrude out, and I kind of want that. I think that's a cool look. All right, what do we think We happy with this? So just to throw some color on it, what it will look like approximately. Oh, we could do a render. We can play with the render feature. All right, appearance, body. This is going to be purple. No purple. No. Blue? I can't believe there's no fucking purple. What the fuck, Fusion? I can't work under these conditions. Fine, we'll do blue. It's gonna look plastic, matte, and the text will be nice and white. Matte white. Here, here, here. And let's check out the render tab. I've never done this before, so we're gonna have to do a heckin' learn. Ooh, cool. I'm happy with that. I mean, this is like, you know, there's no layer lines, so it won't actually look this good IRL. Excuse me. All right. Just doing drawing practice, be looking for now. Hell yeah. Cat likes the mouse, huh? Can you blame me? This is like foreign new knowledge to me. I'm a gray muzzle. Wow. 25 kilohertz, 800 volt FOC motor controller. Oh, wow. You said that you had a software. Wait, you're making the controller. Are you programming that or actually like doing the electronic design? Also, how absolutely cursed is streaming like this, where it's just like literally a camera pointing at the computer monitor? I think it's pretty cursed, but kind of funny. Check something. Cause like, you know, I could just do a screen capture, but I think this is kind of endearing in a way. Da, da. I'm putting an FPGA. Oh yeah, at 25 kilohertz. Yeah, you definitely need an FPGA. Very cool. It's very immersive. All right, cool. It would be even better if my camera wasn't dead. You know, it's 15% charged. I think it slowly loses charge while running VTube Studio. A bit cursed? Excellent. Excellent. Okay, I declare this done. Let me check this file here. Oh, that's just the letters. Okay, yeah, I don't care about that. All right. So let's go back to design. And this is going to be called AR4 MK4 J5 side cover cat version. And this is going to be side cover K, side cover A, that's the T, T, and this is side cover, I got all of these letters wrong, A. Side cover. Okay, excellent. And now I should be able to export these as STLs. And I hope it doesn't fuck up. It'll be fine. This is a big part, so it's fine. We can like little errors here and there will be okay. Save as mesh. STL binary, millimeter units. And this is going to go to the downloads folder. Works for me. Export this. All right. So I think we need to end stream here because I am blocked on this project until we have the printed parts. So I will diligently print all like 200 of these parts this week. And yeah, so I'll have the parts. I will print them on my Elegoo Neptune here during this week. And we will resume this project next Sunday at noon Pacific. So if you're new here and want to follow my journey as I build this robot arm, follow me on here or Blue Sky, because that's I always post on Blue Sky and Discord when I go live. So if you want to follow this journey, the VODs will also be on the VODs channel. Which is Cat Voltz's. Wait, what is the VOD channel? What's it actually called? Hang on, let me pull it up. What are my channels called? Because I made them. They're brand new. YouTube.com. The main channel for this content is Cat Volts Lab. My channel is not showing up. Thanks, YouTube. Thanks a bunch. Cats Lab. My VOD channel came up. Okay, well, if you want to follow the long form content, this is the new channel. So like literally the streams, all of the offline recordings are going to this channel. The more edited content, which will be edited down, is going to be on Cat's Lab. If I can find it. Cat's Lab. My VOD channel is showing up. Why is my main channel not showing up? Cat Lab VOD, Cat Volts Lab. Oh boy. I think my channel is already dead before I even post anything to it. Or maybe that's why it doesn't show up. It's not showing up because there are no. Well, I can log into the account. Okay. That's very funny. View your channel. Okay. This is the new isn't back. I'm here. I'm talking to you. Yeah, so that's the main channel, Cat Volts' Lab. That's where the edited content will be. The longer form content and the stream VODs will be on Cat Volts Lab VODs. Yeah, you found it. Yeah. Thank you so much for tuning in. I absolutely love that you love this content. I enjoy streaming like this. As scuffed as it is, I am so excited to put this together and so excited to program it and make it do cool shit. So I'd like to go, yeah, yeah. So I'm going to find us a rage target. I think it's safe to share this. Yeah, welcome. Oh my gosh, I miss new people. I'm sorry. Carmen, Guts, Sharon Cell, Pyro Shed, and Justus Flügel. Thank you very much, everybody. Let me see who is live. Sorry, I gotta hide my screen again. Twitch. We raided Kiri last weekend. She's live again. Ooh, you know what? Let's raid Hope. Yeah, let's raid Hope. She's playing Arknight's Enfield. Yeah. All right, everybody. I love you so much. Thank you. What the fuck? No! I'm just about to raid. No! Wait. Wait, Zoe. That's why you're asking if I was back. Oh my god. Supporting fellow trans streamers. Well, thank you. What is a professional streamer? Yeah, true. Oh my god. You guys, thank you. Hi. Thank you for rating me. Welcome. I am Cat Volts. I used to be a VTuber, but now I am a workshop streamer. So we worked on a generator prototype that failed, and so we pivoted to building a robotic arm. So this is the AR4. Hey, Trans Blue Babe. Yeah, so we started preparing to put this together. We modified some of the CAD files on stream today, and I will print out all of the parts that are required for this kit. And then we will next weekend, next Sunday at noon Pacific, we will be assembling this. We will start assembling it. It probably won't take, it'll probably take a couple streams to put together. But if you like building stuff, building streams, assembly streams, or I guess my own IRL chaos, drop a follow. Yeah, you caught me at the very end, Zoe. That's so cool, right? Yeah. Also, I'm sorry, I'm gonna sick as a frick robot arm, right? Like, look at this thing. Look at this thing. It's as big as mine. Yeah. So I am super excited to put this together. Yeah. So I will be putting this together next Sunday, noon Pacific. Don't miss it. Drop a follow if you want to catch that. If you do miss it, I will have the VODs on the VOD channel. Don't hurt yourself with it. Don't hurt yourself with it. I probably will. That's part of the fun. But I am ending because we're stuck. I gotta wait on the printer. So I will raid out, and I will actually find us a trans. Oh wait, I was gonna raid Hope. She's trans too. Excellent. We will keep the trans raid train on. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Raid Hope. Wait, was it Hope Dream? Hope Dreams. Hope Dreams. I love you all. I will see you next time, okay? Be there or be square. Bye, everyone. Thank you.